So now once you've opened up the hood on the left side here of the car, you'll see this little black box here, and there's 2 clips. We're just going to pull those clips up, and this is where you're going to get into your air filter. You can do this. It's going to take a little pushing, and you can pop that air filter out. There we go. So you can remove that air filter, grab a new one, and you can place that new one back in there, and push it back in. Then once you have that, you're going to make sure this is seated. Push that back into place. Snap those clips, and that's all you have to do to change your air filter. This one is a Subaru Legacy. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. To adjust the steering wheel. To do that, what we're going to do is